I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate donuts at home. First, let's gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of rich cocoa powder, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Make sure to have 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter ready. We'll also use 1 packet of active dry yeast, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, have plenty of vegetable oil for frying. Now let's get to crafting that perfect donut dough. Start by combining your warm milk and yeast, allowing it to bloom for about 5 minutes until it's nice and foamy. In a separate large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, flour, cocoa powder, sugar, and salt. Then gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry, mixing until a dough forms. Knead this dough for approximately 8 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Finally, let it rise in a warm spot for 1 hour, or until it doubles in size. With your dough ready, it's time for the fun part, frying and glazing. Roll out your risen dough to about 1/2 inch thickness and cut out your donut shapes using a donut cutter. Heat vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully fry each donut for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. While they cool slightly, prepare your decadent chocolate glaze by whisking together powdered sugar, cocoa powder, a splash of milk, and a touch of vanilla extract. Congratulations, you've made homemade chocolate donuts. For the best experience, dip your warm donuts into the rich chocolate glaze, ensuring they are fully coated. Let the glaze set for just a few minutes before taking that first delightful bite. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days to maintain their freshness. Now, go ahead and enjoy the fruits of your labor, sharing these wonderful treats with everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.